Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox voice chat not showing up. Alright, let's begin. First, open Roblox and tap the More option from the menu. Then go to Settings and select Account Info. Make sure your email address and phone number are added and verified. Roblox requires verified account information for certain features, including voice chat access. Next, check your date of birth. Voice chat is only available for eligible users who meet Roblox's age requirements. If your age information is incorrect, update it using the available verification process. After that, open the Privacy section. Select Communication Settings and make sure Party Chat is enabled. You should also enable Party Voice Chat and set the communication options according to your preferences. Once these settings are configured, join a Roblox experience that supports voice chat. Finally, once you're in the game, look for the microphone icon. Tap it to unmute yourself and allow microphone permissions if prompted. Your voice chat should now be active and ready to use. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox voice chat not showing up. That's it for this video. Thanks!